How to remove phone number from Facebook. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove phone number from Facebook if you're facing this error that says you can't make this change at the moment. So I'm just going to show you right here. If I go ahead and go to my profile and open my settings. Now from here, if I go to Account Center, you will see all of your personal details and your phone numbers right here. So just tap on Personal Details, and here on your contact information it will be shown right here. Now to delete your phone number, you can just tap on it, and after this you can just tap on Delete Number, tap on Delete, and as you can see it says you can't make this change at the moment. This is because we've noticed you're using a device that you don't usually use. You need to keep this account safe, so it will allow you to do this after you've used this device for a while. But even if you're using an old device, you still might be facing the problem. So what you want to do is go ahead and open your browser and link your Instagram to your Facebook. So once you do that, you just log in your Instagram on your browser like I've done here. Go to your profile at the bottom right, and for my browser, my settings is on the top left of my screen. Tap on Settings and go ahead and open your Account Center from your browser. And as you can see, I've already linked my Facebook and Instagram right here. Now what you have to do is go to Personal Details again and tap on your contact info. And from here, you can tap on your phone number and tap on Delete Number. Confirm your deletion. You will be prompted to enter your password, so just quickly enter your Instagram password. Once you have entered your password, just tap on Submit. And as you guys can see, the account has been deleted. The number has been deleted from your account. So tap on Continue and quickly enter your password again. Tap on Log In. And once you have logged into your Facebook, as you can see, you've deleted your previous number. So that's how you can easily delete your number on Facebook. Now on your contact information, you no longer can see the number. That means it has been deleted. If you found the video helpful, head down below and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.